Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. And today's video guys, another reviews na naman ang gagawin natin sa mga guitar gadgets and the musical instruments and everything. First time kong bumili sa Shopee guys ng mga guitar gadgets. So, I will share with you my experience nung nabili ko tong Mosky Multi-Effects guitar pedal. So, kung ikaw, balak mong bumili nito, good thing na napanood mo tong video. Okay? So, stay tuned guys and let's have some reviews about this Mosky guitar pedal. So ito na nga guys, Mosky DC5 6-in-1 guitar multi-effects pedal. Wala itong kasamang adapter or yung power supply nito, 9 volts DC. Yan. Yung inner niya, baliktad, negative positive siya. By the way, yung seller nito guys is riderliving.ph. So ito siya guys, yung power adapter na nabili ko. Ayan. May power supply siya guys. Yan. 1000 mAh. Meron siyang guys, meron siyang kasamang yung mga multifunctional series. Meron siyang delay, ayan. Meron siyang chorus, ayan. Meron siyang distortion, tsaka meron siyang overdrive. Plus, meron din siyang buffer and bolster. So, isa lang siya guys. Kaya naging 6. I have some sample regarding itong mga effects nito. And also guys, it is made in China. Based on our review guys, okay naman yung delay, yung chorus, tsaka yung distortion. Dito lang ako na sa overdrive guys kasi nga, as we notice, nag-hum talaga siya. Ewan ko lang kung sa wire, sa cord ko lang din yon. Then sa presyo guys, sulit din naman siya. So sa mga beginners and non-beginners, so guys, okay na din to. This is recommendable. So thank you nga pala sa nag-deliver nitong sa G&T Express. Of course, special thanks and shout out to Ma'am Chari Manggubat for letting me use her guitar for this review.